Are you looking for the best automotive multimeters? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best automotive multimeters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Innova 3340 Automotive Digital Multimeter. Safe, accurate, and thorough, the Innova 3340 is our choice for best overall automotive multimeter. We love the large readout screen, helpful auto range, and probe storage. Plus, this model offers reverse polarity protection, auto shutoff, RMP readings, and alternator tests. It comes in a convenient nylon pouch and is also helpful for temperature readings, in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, and detecting leaks. Stay on top of your usage with the battery quick check LEDs, and keep your gear in tip-top shape with protective rubber guards. This one's great for both professionals and hobbyists alike, with supportive troubleshooting processes that will come in handy for pinpointing a wide variety of electrical problems in the home or car, safely. Store and retrieve your previous data using the min/max and hold buttons. To prevent damage to the ECU, this multimeter uses the 10 NOhm impedance. This model is the best choice for testing alternator diodes, solenoids, breaker points, switches, wiring, duty cycle, and more. At number 2. Innova 3320 Autoranging Digital Multimeter. This one tops our list of best automotive multimeters for the money. Packed with features and priced at an absolute steal, this multimeter is a perfect addition to your own toolbox or a great gift for the budding auto enthusiast in your life. With a large display and color-coded battery check LEDs, the model is easy to navigate and clear to use. You don't have to worry about dialing in the correct range for electronic measurements, because the auto-ranging scales take care of it for you. We love the convenience of the hands-free use. The model comes equipped with attachable test leads, holders, and a stand so your hands aren't all tied up when you're using it. For AC and DC voltage, use the single setting resistance function. When compared with the Innova 3340, this model is just as sturdy, safe, and reliable, but it lacks some extra capabilities like RPM reading, alternator test, and temperature reading. A small price to pay for the awesome, well, price. At number 3. Fluke 117 True RMS Multimeter. With a Category 3 600V safety rate, the Fluke 11 True RMS Multimeter lives up to tough tasks electricians face each day. Stay safe from surges at 6 kV peak per IEC. With quick output and integrated non-contact voltage, you can provide premium accuracy while protecting yourself from powerful electrical events. For automatic AC/DC voltage selection, use AutoVolt to get you there faster. Working in dim lighting? No problem for this LED backlit display. Plus, you can couple it with a magnetic hanger and work hands-free. While other models may be better for automotive professionals, we love this one for electrical work. With true RMS technology, you can get accurate measurements even with non-linear loads. Test for frequency, resistance, continuity and capacitance and accurately analyze data with min/max/average readings. Rest easy knowing you can trust your results, since the low input impedance blocks out false readings caused by ghost voltage. At number 4. AstroAI WH5000A Digital Multimeter. Hobbyists and DIYers rejoice. For professional-level readings at an affordable price, AstroAI WH5000A Digital Multimeter is a great option. These offer a competitively wide range of tests, including voltage, resistance, current, capacitance, continuity, frequency, diodes, transistors, and temperature. If you can't live without auto range, have no fear, you'll find it here. Plus, the sampling speed is fairly quick at 2 times per second. This model will even determine whether the current you are measuring is AC or DC by itself. As far as safety features go, this model makes an excellent showing with explosion-proof ceramic fuse tubes and overload protection on all ranges. It's rated at Cat 3 600V, Cat 2 1000V. Use it conveniently no matter what you're. At number 5. Proster PST99 Autoranging Digital Multimeter. Test surrounding temperature, liquid temperature, battery and AC/DC voltage and current with a simple and durable design you'll find in the Proster PST99 Autoranging Digital Multimeter. With auto-ranging capabilities and basic functionality like resistance, frequency, and duty cycle measurements, this model doesn't leave too many features off the table. They've got safety covered too, with a low battery voltage indication, warning alarm, and overload protection on all ranges. Their design keeps convenience top of mind, flaunting a nifty carry bag and a built-in support stand for hands-free use. On the other hand, the LCD display does not have a backlight, which can make the display tough to see depending on your workspace. If steadfast accuracy is a must, this tool may not be the one for you, as side-by-side tests have shown some fluctuations in readings in MA mode. The speed of this model also leaves a lot to be desired, as the machine takes longer than most for the value to stabilize. At number 6. Klein Tools MM600 HVAC Multimeter. Designed with durability in mind, Klein Tools MM600 HVAC Multimeter is built to sustain a 6.6 foot drop and put up with any jostling around that your toolbox or job site might require. The specs here are impressive, with the tester measuring up to 1000V AC/DC voltage, 10A AC/DC current and 40 ohm resistance, in addition to offering auto range and readings on temperature, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, continuity, and test diodes. Impressively, the model also boasts a safety rating of CAT 4600V/CAT 31000V. If you're looking for basic use in your home or business with a controlled electromagnetic environment, this may be the choice for you. If you're looking to measure above 10A, though, look elsewhere. We also have concerns about the auto-ranging feature on this model, which doesn't always seem to work as expected. This is also geared more toward electricians than auto professionals. At number 7. Amprobe 4018-636 Multimeter. The Amprobe 4018-636 Multimeter packs in the safety features and earns a CAT 3600V rating. Notably, the model utilizes low impedance mode to eliminate stray voltage. With an eye for productivity, designers of this Amprobe multimeter included a low-pass filter to accurately measure variable frequency drives. Plus, there's no need for manual calculation because this model provides dual thermocouples for differential measurements. Attentiveness to typical user experience shines through in convenient features like the backlit thermal display, the capacity to record measurements, and the built-in stand to free up your hands. A few concerns have come up around the quality of the included probes as well as the reliability of the non-contact voltage detector and the battery tester. We also found the bulkiness a bit cumbersome. Plus, we found ourselves impatient waiting 4 to 5 seconds for each stable measurement to come through.